everyone, today I will show you how to make soft pink cat eye nails. Step 1. Filing nails. First step is filing nail. This tool is used to file down the old nail surface. When filing, pay attention to the pressure used. If too much force is applied, it can thin the client's nails too much, causing discomfort or a burning sensation. Step 2. Cut nails. Trim the length of the nails, measure the length between the fingers to ensure they are cut evenly. Step 3. Shaping nails. Depending on the customer's preference, file the nails into the desired form. In this case, the customer wants a short square shape, so you only need to file the edges of the nail tips to make them round. While filing, be careful with the sides of the nail. Hold out the skin next to the nail edge and file with moderate pressure to achieve the most beautiful nail form. Step 4. Cuticle buffing. The next step is cuticle buffing, which involves pushing back the dead skin around the nail bed. Be gentle during this step to avoid denting the client's nails. Step 5. Soften the skin before cutting. You need to soften the skin of the customer's hands to prepare for cutting the skin. Step 6. Cuticle pusher. Since we used the machine earlier, now we just need to push the skin gently. Step 7. Cut the cuticles. Make sure the cuticle nippers are properly sterilized and sharp so that cutting is clean and doesn't hurt the client. Step 8. E-file. Next is e-file. Our nails naturally have an oily layer. This step removes that oil so that when the polish is applied, it adheres better and lasts longer. Step 9. Clean the nails. Before applying polish, use alcohol to clean the nails and wipe off any dust left from buffing. Step 10. Base coat. First, we apply a base coat. This bonding layer is crucial as it affects all the subsequent polish layers. Be careful not to let it flood the nail edges. Step 11. Color design. Now we move on to the color design. I'm using a beautiful jelly pink color. Jelly pink is a vibrant, translucent shade of pink that resembles the playful and glossy appearance of fruit jelly. This color stands out with its fresh, youthful, and energetic vibe, often associated with fun, sweetness, and creativity. After applying the polish, I use a magnet to create a cat eye effect. Once the design is achieved, I use the mini lamp to cure and set the effect. Repeat this process on the other nails. And here's the final result. Let's take a look.